Hello, kids. Today we will be reading Grandpa Ant Snores Too Loud by Sigmund Bauer. Created by Don Sullivan and illustrated by Sharon Dahl. Grandpa Ant snored. Grandpa Ant snored really loud. Baby Ant didn't like it when Grandpa Ant snored. Annie Ant didn't like it when Grandpa Ant snored. Arnie Ant didn't like it when Grandpa Ant snored. Mommy Ant didn't like it when Grandpa Ant snored. Daddy Ant? He didn't notice. He snored too, but not as loud as Grandpa Ant. One day, Grandpa Ant went to the hospital. That night, the house was quiet. The house was too quiet. Finally, Grandpa Ant came back from the hospital. After that, no one thought Grandpa Ant snored too loud. Well, kids, I hope you enjoyed the story. It was called Grandpa Ant Snores Too Loud by Sigmund Bauer. It was created by Don Sullivan and illustrated by Sharon Dahl.